In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for time tracking. We're going to walk through a simple, practical way to track the time you spend on tasks directly inside Notion. This is great if you're managing projects, billing clients, or just trying to understand where your day is going. I'll keep things straightforward so you can follow along as you watch. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you manage your projects and tasks. This might be a database called something like Projects and Tasks, or any task list you've already set up. Once you're on that page, look to the upper right area of the screen. You should see an option or button to start a timer. This might appear as a Start Timer button, a small timer icon, or an integrated time tracking widget, depending on how your workspace is configured. When you're ready to begin working on a specific task, click on that Start Timer button. It's important to start the timer right as you begin the work so your tracking is accurate. Think of this as the digital equivalent of hitting start on a stopwatch. After you click the timer, a small window or form will appear asking for details. This is where you'll tell Notion what you're actually working on. Typically, you'll fill in information like the task name or select an existing task from your database, maybe choose a project or client, and optionally add notes about what you're doing. Take a moment to be specific here. For example, instead of just writing work, you might write design homepage banner or write blog outline. Clear labels make your timesheet much more useful later. If there are fields for tag, status, or priority, use them in a way that matches your current workflow. This helps you filter and review your track time by project, type of work, or urgency once you have more entries in your database. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and confirmed everything looks right, go ahead and click the Done button. This saves the time entry and officially starts tracking your time for that task. From this point on, the timer will keep running in the background while you work. You can now focus on your task, knowing that Notion is logging the duration for you. When you're finished, you would typically return to your timer or time tracking view to stop or update the entry. But the core process is exactly what we just covered. Click Start Timer, fill in the details, and click Done to begin tracking your time in Notion.